In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a travel agency website using the WTE Travel Engine plugin in 2025. Creating a website for your travel agency can seem daunting, but with the help of WordPress and the right plugins, you can make this a smooth and enjoyable process. First, let's kick off by installing WordPress. Head to your preferred hosting provider. WP Engine is a popular choice where you can easily set up a hosting account and install WordPress. Once installed, you'll be ready to log into your WordPress dashboard at yourdomain.com/dwp-admin. Now that you're in your WordPress dashboard, the next step is to install the WTUP Travel Engine plugin. This plugin is essential for managing your travel bookings and packages efficiently. Navigate to the Plugins section on the sidebar, click on Add New, and search for WP Travel Engine. When you find it, simply click Install and then Activate to make it ready for use. Next, it's time to choose a theme suitable for a travel agency. A theme like Travel Agency will give your site the professional look it needs. Head over to the Appearance section, click on Themes, and search for Travel or Tour Booking Themes. Install and activate the theme that best matches your vision. With the plugin and theme set up, it's time to create your trip packages. Go to the WP Travel Engine section in your dashboard and click on Trips, then Add New. Here you can fill in all the relevant details such as the trip title, images, itinerary, duration, price, and location. Once you're satisfied with the trip information, hit Publish. To help users easily find and book their desired trips, you'll want to add a booking bar to your homepage. For this, edit your homepage and add the shortcode WP Travel Engine Search to the desired location on the page. This will allow visitors to search and book trips directly from the homepage. Don't forget to click Update to save your changes. Now let's design the additional pages to fill out your website. Go to the Pages section, click Add New, and create essential pages like Home, About, Trips, and Contact. Use tools like the Block Editor or Elementor Page Builder to design these pages and ensure they're both functional and attractive. Next, let's customize the overall look of your site. Navigate to the Appearance section and click Customize. Here, you can adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to align with your brand identity. Take time to experiment until you find the look that perfectly represents your agency. Lastly, it's crucial to test the booking system to ensure everything runs smoothly. Visit your homepage, use the search function, and go through the process of booking a trip to experience it just as your customers would. If everything works seamlessly, congratulations, your travel agency website is ready to go live.